So I'm very excited. I got in this teeth whitening kit to try. And this is the one that you actually, it does the blue light. You plug this in and it does the blue light in your mouth. It also comes, it recommends to brush your teeth first, or if you don't want to do that, you have teeth whitening or teeth wiping things. And then once you're done, you put on the teeth whitening gel. So it comes with 2 of these. And you know, can use this to kind of see where you're at, and then after, you know, where you are, it's I recommend you're going to do the blue light for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you put on the gel. And it says after 3 to 4 treatments you'll see a difference in your teeth. So I will be trying this soon. I just wanted to kind of show off the kit, and once I try it, I'll do a brand new post to show you guys how it did. So considering it will take a while, I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all I just got it in, and then in about a month when I'm done with my treatments, I will you know, let y'all know what it does. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited.